When you come to Pangea's Pizza, we make sure that you get what you pay for, so you're paying for product and quality. What makes our product different is we take the time to make everything from scratch. The sauces, the dough, the cheese, everything is done in-house. So we take the time with our chefs to go through and we work with the recipes. We make everything literally by hand. Hi, my name is Justin Sailors. I've been here since 2011. This is the best place to work in Traverse City. If you want to come for great pizza, great salads, and sandwiches, this is the place to be. When you come into Pangea's, you can be greeted by a hostess or a bartender. We're going to get you sat promptly, you're going to have a drink at your hand, and you're going to be very happy. Back in February, we closed down. We actually renovated the entire restaurant. We added double the seating to allow more people to enjoy our pizza year-round. We also added an entire new roof deck, which allows over 100 people to be upstairs. As you see behind me, we have this huge family room with a few TVs, but we really wanted to focus in on having you spend time with your family. It doesn't matter if it's 20, 30 people, we can seat you.